people, this is everything that you need to know about how to achieve your fitness destiny. No matter whether you're trying to gain muscle, lose fat, be the healthiest version of yourself, all of the above, just stop being a pussy. That's it. Stop being a pussy. Get the fucking work done. Let's go through some documents.
Hey Brian, have you been working out?
What up? Hello.
Oh my god, I'm actually massive. Look at how thick my neck is.
Okay, let's get started. Stop being a dick. Hello, welcome to my video series. This video series is how you stop living like a punk. Stop living like a punk, go to the gym, fucking get yourself organized. If you don't get yourself organized, if you don't go to the gym, then you're gonna be a sad, depressed loser forever. That's it. You actually are. You can carry on doing the same boring shit with your life, but you're never gonna get anywhere. What I'm going to teach you in these videos, this whole video series is basically about how to transform your life. And this is the induction pack. I'm going to do all of these videos. You're going to be able to see exactly how I organize my life, how you should organize yours. The only things that aren't included is my workout routine, but I will talk about workout routine. I also talk about, just going to get into it. Welcome to the induction pack. You're probably here because you want to stop looking and feeling like a feeble weakling. By getting the know-how on how to build muscle, mental stability, lose fat, reorganize your priorities to become the best version of yourself, amongst a whole plethora of life-changing transformation principles that we currently use and have used on hundreds of people across the globe to change your life for the better. But most importantly, this is to feel and look good by not being a bitch. And to try actually transform yourself. And that's what I'm here to do. This series of videos has everything in that you need to get started on your fitness journey. Now, this is a video series that's meant to be watched in order, so it's easily digestible and you don't miss anything out. It's been started for my current clients and new starting clients. So if you're watching it on YouTube, you'll obviously get a lot of information that you can use for your own journey and a lot of information of how I coach people from the beginning. So you can see what to expect from me as a transformation coach. The only thing that's not included on this series, which if you're on my app, then you should already be able to see, is your split of workouts designed for your goals, your daily nutrition plan, and your set of goals that we're aiming for. After you've watched this, if you need any more information at all, then ask me all the questions possible, please, so we can get ready on changing your destiny. So let's get started. First, we'll go through the induction. Next, we'll go through nutrition and how it's key, supplementation and hydration. Then we'll go through the training basics of what we do to get in shape and how we're gonna stay in the best shape of our lives. Then we'll go through my daily and weekly routine and goals so you can get an idea of what I do daily, weekly, monthly, and how I stay on track, then how you're going to stay on track. After that is what you need to do for a transformation progress update and how we're going to get you the best possible outcome from the plan. And my expectations of you and your expectations of me as a coach. Then finally, we'll go through the step-by-step process of how you're going to get started and how you're going to achieve the most. So the average person lives for 1,000 months. We're going to be spending a few of those putting in the work to make the rest of your life easier, healthier, and full of progress. The more you adhere to a plan, the easier and quicker your results will come, because without a plan, you're going to fail. It takes time and it is most definitely all about the journey. When it comes to your goals, there will be ups and downs along the way, but the most important thing to remember is never give up. You can achieve what you set out to, just like I have, and many other people around the world have, and continue to do. Everyone's goal is different, but we all pretty much want the same thing: a healthier, better life. The body is such a powerful tool. You can either fuel it, use it, and upgrade it, or stick it on the shelf to rust. So let's use it and fuel it. Never underestimate your potential. In the next few videos, I will show and teach the facts on how to transform yourself. What I'm going to say and show to you, you will choose to take it in and action upon it, or forget what I say, get nowhere, living the same boring life, in the same body, doing the same boring shit, becoming nothing like I was 2 years ago. And you aren't going to sign up for that. Understand that everything that you're doing right now is a choice. And those choices that you make, they have consequences. Life is going to happen before your eyes either way. And the time is passing right now. So it's your choice. You either pick good choices and achieve greatness, or bad ones. And we all know where that leads. Absolutely fucking nowhere. I want you to achieve greatness, otherwise I would not be speaking to you here now. I believe you can, and you will achieve your greatest possible self. So imagine yourself in 6 months' time. Just imagine it now. Take the next 6 months building and developing yourself as a person, so you can look back in 6 months' time with glory and progress. instead of looking back with excuses and sorrow as to why you didn't do everything within your power to change yourself today. The simple thing is, all you need to do is follow a plan set out, whether that be my plan or your own personal plan. Learn the steps, eat the food, drink the water, go work out, get the rest in, and beat negative compulsive behaviour. And when you need help, I'm here to help. That's why you've invested your time in me and I'm investing my time in you. You can either be a winner or a loser. There is no in between, no half measures, no acceptable excuses in this, no magical button you can press, just the drive to accomplish the task set out no matter what. Whether you're bulking or you're cutting, the mentality is still the same. Just get the job done. As you can see, I have done here in these many different pictures. So it's time to become the best person you can possibly be. This is a skill, like any other skill, that can and will be learned by you. By changing your life around and unleashing the warrior within. You win at this in one way. It takes a strong mind and strong belief that you can achieve your goals, even when you aren't seeing instant results. Hard work, discipline and consistency over time equal undeniable results in achieving greatness. If it was easy, every single person would have it, but they don't. You can see I've walked the walk, and now I'm talking the talk and telling you exactly how to do it. So strap yourself in and face the challenges set ahead. Or you're going to be a weak little non-achieving bitch forever. It's as simple as that. With the discipline and the habits I'm showing you how to master, you will win. These habits are not hard to gain. All you have to do is action on it and build these habits up. Become disciplined, and who you truly want to be will unfold before your eyes. The hardship you're going to go through in the first few months is transferable to every part of life. As with this discipline, and like many others, once you master it, you'll be a monster at completing tasks. Through whatever pain and suffering that you've gone through or still going through, you play this game right and you will be able to achieve anything that you put your mind to. Like I and hundreds of other people before have. If you want to become part of the 1%, the only way to do it is to follow the plan set out. As a new starter, you go through a 3 months priming phase. Within this 3-month priming phase, we're going to learn how to do the exercises and the plan to maximum efficiency. Getting your body to adapt to a better nutrition, training and lifestyle. Learning the disciplines that we need to, that we don't necessarily want to do every single day. You're going to build up habits to make sure you are moving and behaving in the correct way to move forward on your goals. During these 3 months, I will make sure that you're performing the tasks efficiently with your transformation progress updates and daily updates from me. So you know what you're doing before your first day starts, myself, my instructional videos, and the easy to follow step-by-step plan, plus your induction video, will get you everything that you need to know. You're going to learn about numerous valuable things, all to do with building your body and mind up to where it needs to be to get the body of your dreams. In your first week, what we're going to do is get your nutrition, your supplementation, your hydration and your sleep organised, so you're at the best possible start for enhancing your mind and body. This is where we set you up on your journey with the tools you will use and the knowledge that you need to make the best possible progress right now. In weeks 2 to 9, you're going to prime your body to push heavier and heavier weights by building a mind-muscle connection and getting to know your body movements, using progressive overload to develop your physique. Okay, so instead of overloading your brain with a bunch of information that you don't really need to know right now, the most important thing that you get from this part is progressive overload. We're going to use high reps for around 8 weeks, and then we're going to use heavy weights and low reps for about 3 weeks. Now, this isn't on every exercise, just your main lifts. So we build up strength, and then we're going to go back to building muscle. Once the strength is increased, you'll be able to lift even more weight, therefore building bigger muscles. Obviously, there's a bunch of ways that we can do this, but this is what I've found to work best with everybody. So feel free to read this page here and see exactly how I'm going to do it with you, but you don't really have to worry about it because everything's included in the plan anyway. Remember, if you fall down, just get back up. That's all you need to do. Fall down, get back up. There's no point in giving up when you've already started.
Lift heavy to get big.
So I hope that video was informative for you and it gave you a little bit of an insight on exactly what we're going to do over the next few weeks. It's time to head over to the next video where we're going to discuss nutrition, hydration and supplementation. Remember that you can revisit this video for a little bit of motivation for whenever you need it, to not be a complete pussy and actually crack on with the job ahead. I'll see you in the next video.